What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Get Real Bass Fishing. Today in the video that I'm going to be showing you guys, we went to an inlet and we started fishing with my brand new Saltex. I promised you guys this video. I put out the Saltex review video maybe 2 weeks ago, and in it I said that I would show you guys what like the other fish inside that video or from that day. So this is that. We caught a ton of bluefish and an unexpected striped bass in this video. And I think the same day, I think I caught my biggest striper this day too. I don't remember, but it's inside this video. It's a really fun video. It was fun to make and a good time to remember. So if you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And we will be uploading every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So hit that bell notification. But anyway, I want to show you guys this video. I'm sure you guys want to watch it. So let's go. There we go. After a bunch of like missed hits, finally got onto one. We got one. Here we go. Nice little blue. Smooch his tail. Mwah. See you later, bud. There we go. We got our jumper. Airborne. Oh, it feels good to finally catch again. We got this little dude. Look at him. He's so tiny. Not really. I mean, he's a good sized fish, but not compared to the gators we were catching. There we go. We're into a good fish on the ocean. The new Saltex 4000. There we go. Whew. Nice salty, a nice sandy little bluefish on my new Saltex. All right, smooch and release. There we go. There we go. First one from the jetty. Nice. All right, let's try to flip this bad boy up. Oh no. Oh, that sucks. Oh, had another hit. Nope, another hit. There, oh, another hit. Holy crap. There we go, another hit. What the frick? Come on, just take it. All right, we're rock hopping over here, getting a little closer to where these fish actually are. Holy crap. All right, let's go. They're right here. Hopefully we can get a fish on this cast. Just sitting there. Hopefully. Oh wow! Oh, there he is. Oh mama, pulling out of the water. Fighting like a dog. Yeah, that power knob on this thing is really coming in handy right now. Another like maybe 5-6 pound blue. All right, let's get him up. Frick. Really? All right, here we go. Another blue. Smooch and release. Solid release. He gone. Yeah, boy. Casting that 9-footer way out takes a lot of breath out of you. All right, and we're in already. Holy crap. Way out there jumping. Yeah. Oh no, jet skier, stay there. Jet skier, go away. Ruining my fishing. You guys, I don't know if you guys can hear the drag. It's pulling so smoothly. It's not even like jittery or anything. It's just flat butter. Like a hot knife through butter. Woo! Jumping out. Yeah, that was a big mouth on that thing. Flailed his gills too. Wonder how close we can get into that on the video, see what happened there. Oh, and again. Yeah, boy. I might get myself another one of these salt X's. It's a good reel, maybe a 6,000 for like a 10-footer or something like that. All right, boy. Watch where I step. Pull you back up. How do you manage to get under there? He's in there. Dude, right now I'm at 2. One more and that's my daily limit. There's got to be a better way. Anybody know a good company to buy a net from? Instead of losing all these poor fish? I hate freaking killing fish, man. And another hit. I gotta check my leader after this. There we go. 3 in a row. Woo, dog. There's good fishing here, man. Really putting this Saltex to a test. Like I said, don't want to. Oh Lord. You don't want to put that drag all the way down or you're going to snap somewhere. Especially fishing on these rocks and having these bluefish down there. You know, putting a fray in your leader or on the rocks with your main line. Very delicate and keep checking your leader and your line. Oh, it's a striper. What? Did not expect that. I don't want to lose this bad boy. All right. Wow, I did not expect a striper. That's my first striper in like a very long time. All right, bud. All right. No, don't go insane. I like you. All right, stop. Freed, can you grab a picture for me? Nice little striper. Did not expect a striper today. Mwah, smooch and release. All right, here we go. Is he good? You good? Oh, had another hit. Oh, another hit. Holy crap, there we go. I think I'm at like 6 fish in a row. Holy cow. I wonder if it's another striper. This is cool. Oh, pulling some drag. A fun fish, man. After like all morning of not catching anything, literally all morning. Woke up at 5. I think it's like 3:30 or something. 4 o'clock. I have no idea. The Saltex powers it in. That's a fact. What is it? It's a blue. Come on. Is that it? Another blue. Smooch and release. Be careful, these guys got teeth. And he swam away. There he is, he's over there. Anyway guys, thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate all the support. We are more than 10,000 subscribers. We're probably closer to 10.1 right now, so we're really moving up, and I really want to just say thank you for all that you guys have done, support, sharing with your friends, and posting on Facebook, Instagram, whatever, and sharing my videos. That really means a lot, and every single thumbs up bumps up the channel and helps the videos grow and get out to more people. So thank you for doing that. We almost close in on like 200 likes per video, so thank you guys so much. It really makes me feel appreciated and make like my videos are meaning something to all of you, so thank you so much. So if you're new to this channel, I want to say welcome and thank you for hitting that red subscribe button. And you're part of one of the coolest families of fishing YouTubers ever. So you guys are like family to me. So thank you so much for the support. And we got some freshwater videos coming out and a ton more saltwater videos. So stay tuned. It's gonna be fun. And yeah, 10,000 guys. We're over 10,000. That's a dream of mine for years, and it finally happened. So I just can't stop saying thank you. But anyway, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay real, smooch and release, and have some fun on the water. I'll see you next time.